guys, welcome to my channel. So with me here I have my aloe vera juice. I extracted the juice from aloe vera, and then I have my egg here, one medium one. So this is basically my one of my recipes for hair growth. I hope you guys like my scarf. I'm stressed out already trying to fix the lighting and all those things. I posted earlier and it's on my description that yes, I'm talking.
What's that?
Yes, so let me talk. I posted earlier on my channel that if you can please support this channel. We need good lightings, we need good camera. I'm actually using my phone and the camera is not so good, so I'm actually planning on buying a new one, but it has not come to pass yet. So if you guys can just support, either you have a good camera, lighting, or you can donate. You can also send your widow's mite $1, 1,000 naira, any amount is appreciated. Or if you cannot do that, you can also help this channel by subscribing. The earlier we get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, the better for us, because that means we will be monetized, and that means we can get to buy anything we want to buy from the money we make on this channel. So guys, please, I'm counting on you. Please subscribe to this channel, please like, and please support this channel. Thank you so much. So I have my aloe vera juice here. I extracted this earlier, and then I have my egg here, like I said. So I'll be breaking my egg into the aloe vera juice, and then I'm going to mix this together. So I have my aloe vera egg juice. The kids are on holiday, so there's no way I'm going to shoot videos without them being around. I'm just going to mix it gently with my spoon. I use this most times. I use egg for my hair most times, but when I use egg, I use the egg white alone, and I just use lime or lemon juice with it to steam my hair. It makes your hair soft and nice. But this is like basically my first time trying egg with aloe vera. I just felt like, because I love aloe vera on its own, I like using aloe vera for my hair and for my daughter's hair. It really worked for her hair. Seriously, her hair is so long, but I've not been consistent with my own. So today I thought of steaming my hair, and then I felt like I should add aloe vera just for its twist, so that my hair would enjoy the benefits. So this is what I have: the aloe vera and the egg juice together. The aloe vera juice and the egg mixture of eggs together. Guys, can you see? I don't know if you can see this. So I'm going to just apply this to my hair. And guys, please don't mind my hair. I've not combed it for some days. Oh Jesus. So this is what my hair looks like right now. I'm just going to apply this gently, massage it into my scalp. I'm going to use my hand because my hair is a little tangled at the moment, and this is one of the reasons why I'm doing this, so that I can detangle my hair, wash it off and detangle my hair. I'm just going to soak my hair in it, let my hair enjoy it. My scalp is a little dry. I don't know, all these natural hair things are expensive here in Nigeria. Things are getting more expensive day by day. So to do YouTube video is a great commitment of my sisters. To do YouTube videos on natural hair is a great commitment. Please, 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 please. No, don't touch it. I'll do yours later, yeah? I'll do your own later, yeah? Yeah, so I'm just going to, oh God, it's so amazing that I'm using hair on my hair, but I just need to be fast with this. I'm getting tired of applying it already. So guys, I'll pause this video and I'll be back once I'm done applying the egg yolk. Thank you guys. So guys, I'm basically done applying the mixture into my hair. So what I'm going to do right now is, I have some mixture left, just a little bit. So I'm just going to put it in my hair and just massage it. I'm just going to rub it, anywhere I want, because I already have my hair covered. And guys, be careful when you're applying this. You need to so guys, please, I just applied all the products into my hair, as you can see, and then my hair is done. Guys, use towels when you are doing this. I forgot to bring out my towel. I was so stressed out looking for paper. I tried almost all angles in my house looking for a good lighting. Some the shadow was reflecting, some the lighting was not sharp enough, and I had to just come back here, and this is the best I can get, guys, for now. So you guys please just enjoy the content and not the lighting, please, for now. We're working towards that. So I'm done with this, and then the next thing I want to do, guys, is I want to cover my hair with this. Don't worry, things are getting better. So I'll just cover my hair with this. I actually think I need to get a shower cap now. So anyways, I'll cover my head with this, and then I'll just try to tuck it in at the back so that there will be it on my head. And then I'm going in with a scarf, my scarf, the one I used earlier. I'm actually sitting on it, and then I'm just going to, so that the heat gets into my hair very well. And then I'm going to leave this for like 15 to 20 minutes. In the next 15 to 20 minutes, I'm going to wash it off. Then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Thank you guys for staying too. I love you. See you when my hair is ready. Bye. So guys, this is like after 10 minutes, and this is what my hair looks like. I'm going to go wash it off. I just said I should show you guys what it looks like. I think it's a little soft now, so I'm just going to wash it off and I'll show you guys what this looks like. See you when I'm back. So guys, this is what my hair looks like after the washout, and I'm just going to go in with my hair cream. I'm just going to cream my hair, and then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. So guys, my hair is all creamed and ready. I won't be blow drying this here because I decided not to use too much of it on my hair. Sorry, I decided not to use it on my hair for some time, and then I'm just going to allow the whole hair to blow this out and dry it. And this is what my hair looks like. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Please subscribe. Love you. So guys, this is what my hair looks like after the washing and drying, and I will just be allowing the hair to blow this out, and I won't be using the blow dryer because I don't want to use it on my hair for now. So guys, see you guys in my next video. What do you think? My hair is just this long. I don't know why it's like my hair is dry, falling off or something. So anyways, yeah, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Love you. You going?